Yes. Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the mathematics class. In this video, we are going to discuss exercise 13.5. So that is related to volume of cube and cuboid. So most of the students, you have completed your homework part, no? Only few questions you have doubt. Okay. So let us discuss exercise 13.5 now. First, second, third and questions and all very simple questions. You just see the answer part. Okay. So briefly, I'll explain first problem, second problem, and third problem. Okay. First question is like this. A matchbox measures 4 centimeter into 2.5 centimeter into 1.5 centimeter. So length, breadth, height. Matchbox. You can imagine the cuboid in the matchbox, right? No. What will be the volume of packet containing 12 such boxes? Okay. So this measurement is given for only one matchbox. This is the measurement of one matchbox. Okay, we have to find out the volume of 12 such boxes, so that we'll get the volume of one box packet which contains 12 matchbox. Okay, so what we have to do first, we have to find out the volume of matchbox. We can imagine cuboid shape, so L into B into H, that is 4 into 2.5 into 1.5, 15 centimeter cube. Volume of one matchbox is 15 centimeters cube. Therefore, volume of 12 such matchboxes, which is equal to 180 centimeter cube. That is 12 into 15, 180 centimeter cube. Just verify your answer. Okay. Now, second question. A cuboidal water tank. So here it is mentioned that it is cuboid. A cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide, and 4.5 meter deep. Long in the sense length, wide breadth, and deep in the sense height. Okay, cuboidal water tank, 6 meter long, 5 meter wide, and 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water can it hold? How many liters of water can it hold? So we have to express the answer in liters. So they have given 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. This is a very important topic. Okay, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. What is given in this problem? Length 6 meter, breadth 5 meter, and height 4.5 meter. So volume of cuboidal water tank formula, that is LBH, 6 into 5 into 4.5, that is 135 meter cube. 135 meter cube, but we have to express the answer in liters. Okay, so what we know actually, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. It is given in question only. Okay, 1 meter cube, that is equal to 1000 liter. Therefore, what is the value? 135 meter cube. 135 meter cube is nothing but 1,35,000 liter. Okay, 1,35,000 liter. Water tank can hold 1,35,000 liters of water. Got the idea of this problem now? Yes. We'll move to the next question. Third question. Third question is like this. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long, 8 meter wide. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long, 8 meter wide. Length and breadth given. How high must it be made to hold 380 cubic meters of a liquid? So what you are observing in this problem, actually length is given, breadth is given, and also here how high must it be made to hold 380 cubic meters of a liquid, in the sense volume is already given. Volume is given, length is given, and breadth is given. What we have to find? We have to find out the height here. How high must it be made to hold 380 cubic meters of a liquid? So we have to find height here. Okay. So we'll see the solution now. It is in the next page. Yes. See the solution. Here, length is 10 meter, breadth is 8 meter, and volume of the vessel is given 380 meter cube. So we have to use the volume of cuboid concept, that is length into breadth into height. L into B into H, which is equal to 380. Now L is 10, breadth is 8, height don't know, actually that is the question mark Okay, so which is equal to 380, then 10 into 8, 80 H is equal to 380. So we have to calculate H, no? That is 380 divided by 80, H is equal to 4.75 meter. So what is the value of H here? 4.75 meter. Got the idea of this problem now? Yes. Now look at the fourth question now. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8-meter long, 6-meter broad and 3-meter deep at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. Okay, so once again I'll repeat the problem. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit. Okay, 8-meter long, 6-meter broad and 3-meter deep at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. Okay, got the idea of this problem now, students? Yes. So we have to find out the cost here. Already information given. What is that? Cuboidal pit. Pit, you all know the meaning, no? Honda. Gundi. Okay. So the end cuboid shape alida gundi. 8-meter long, 6-meter broad and 3-meter deep. Okay. So we have to find out the cost of digging the pit. That is 30 per meter cube, 30 rupees. So length is 8 meter, breadth is 6 meter and height is 3 meter. Therefore volume of the pit which is equal to L into B into H, that is equal to 8 into 6 into 3, 144 meter cube. So this is volume of the pit. So 144 meter cube. So then cost of digging 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube ಹೊಂಡ ಹೊಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 30 rupees ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 144 meter cube ಈ ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡಲ್ ಪಿಟ್ 144 meter cube ಇದೆ ಅದರ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ಸೊ 1 meter cube ಗೆ rupees 30 ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಗ್ಗಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಪಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ 144 meter cube is equal to 144 into 30, that is rupees 4,320. Got the idea of this problem now? 4,320. Just verify your answer. Okay, now let us move on to the next question. Yes, fifth question is like this. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters of water. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters. Already capacity is given. Capacity is nothing but volume, no? So when the water tank in a capacity 50,000 liter ide antandre volume of that tank is 50,000 liters. Okay, find the breadth of the tank. What we have to find here? Breadth of the tank we have to find. If its length and depth are respectively 2.5 meter and 10 meter. So we have to find out the breadth of the tank if its length and depth are respectively 2.5 and 10 meter. Length is given, height is given. Depth in the sense height. Okay, so we have to find out the breadth of the tank. So now let us write the given data. Length 2.5 meter, height 10 meter, then volume of the tank is equal to 50 meter cube. How? Here it is given that 50,000 liter, but we have to take the unit in meter cube or centimeter cube. So we have to convert. So we know that in the last problem, actually second problem, we used one topic, no? 1 meter cube ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1000 liter. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So 1000 liter ಗೆ 1 meter cube ಆದ್ರೆ 50,000 liter ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು meter cube ಆಯ್ತು? 50 meter cube ಆಯ್ತು. Got the idea? Okay, yes, volume of the tank is equal to 50 meter cube. So volume of the tank L into B into H, which is equal to 50. So then L is 2.5 into breadth is unknown and H is 10, which is equal to 50. Then 2.5 into 10 is 25 into B, which is equal to 50. Then B is equal to 50 divided by 25, that is equal to 2 meter. Breadth of the cuboidal water tank is 2 meter. Simple, no? Yes. Now let us move on to the sixth problem. Okay, sixth problem is like this. A village having a population of 4,000. Okay, one village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per head per day. Understand the statement properly. One village, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 4,000 population ಇದೆ. Requires 150 liters of water per head. ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ per head per day. ಒಂದು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ 150 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮೆಷರಿಂಗ್. ಆ ವಿಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೆಷರಿಂಗ್ 20 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂಟು 15 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂಟು 6 ಮೀಟರ್. ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 20 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂಟು 15 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂಟು 6 ಮೀಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಡೇಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀರ್ ಇರ್ದಿರತ್ತೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. Okay, volume of the tank first we have to find out. So then ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ 150 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಆ ತರದ 4,000 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಡೀ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ 4,000 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಸೊ ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ವಾಟರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನಗಳಿಗೊಮ್ಮೆ ಫುಲ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ಹಿಡಿತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದಟ್ ಲೆಂತ್ is 20 meter, breadth is 15 meter and height is 6 meter. Okay, length 20 meter, breadth 15 meter and height is 6 meter. So volume of the tank first we have to find out. Volume of the tank, it's a cuboidal shape. Okay, so LBH measurement is given, length, breadth, height is given. In the sense it's a cuboid shape tank. Okay, so L into B into H, that is 20 into 15 into 6, that is 1800 meter cube. So that is 1800 meter cube. So volume of the tank is 1800 meter cube. It is very difficult to say 1800 meter cube. No? So what we need actually? We need the capacity in liters. So we all know the measurement, meter cube to liter conversion. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So we have to convert this 1800 meter cube to liter. Okay, see here 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. You all know this. Okay, so 1800 meter cube is equal to 1800 into 1000. Okay, 1 meter cube andre 1000 liter. So 1800 meter cube antandre 1800 into 1000. Okay, so that is 18 lakh liters. So capacity of the water tank is 18 lakh liters. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಊರಲ್ಲಿರೋ 4,000 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೀಟರ್ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು? ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4,000 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗೋ ನೀರನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್. Yes, finally I got this page. Sorry for the delay. Okay, now see here, water required for one person per day. Okay, water required for one person per day, that is equal to 150 liters. Okay, one person per day, 150 liters. It is mentioned in the problem only. So therefore water required for 4,000 people per day. So 4,000 people per day in the sense 150 liter ಒಬ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4,000 ಪೀಪಲ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? 4,000 into 150, that is 6 lakh liters. So now you can easily guess the answer that 18 lakh liter is the capacity of the water tank. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 4,000 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡೈಲಿ 6 lakh ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಸ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ of the tank lasts, which is equal to capacity of the water tank divided by water required for the 4,000 people per day. So that is 18 lakh divided by 6 lakh. So ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 3 days. 3 ದಿನಕ್ಕೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀರೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಖರ್ಚಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋ? ಈಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. So now we'll move on to the seventh question. Seventh question solution is here. A go down measures 40 meter into 25 meter into 15 meter. Okay, a go down measures 40 meter into 25 meter into 15 meter. Okay, find the maximum number of wooden craters, each measuring 1.5 meter into 1.25 meter into 0.5 meter, that can be stored in the go down. Try to understand the problem once. Yes. See, got the idea of this problem? A go down, on go down ಇದೆ measures. So 40 meter into 25 meter into 15 meter. Find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring wooden crates. ವುಡನ್ ಕ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮರದ ಪೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆಗಳು ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಪೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹಾಕಿಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಆ ತರದ ವುಡನ್ ಕ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್. ಅದು ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವುಡನ್ ಕ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ಶೇಪಿನ ಮರದ ಪೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆಗಳು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ಶೇಪಿನ ಮರದ ಪೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆಗಳು. ಸೊ ಈಚ್ ಮೆಷರಿಂಗ್ 1.5 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂಟು 1.25 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂಟು 0.5 ಮೀಟರ್, ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗೋಡೌನ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆ ಮರದ ಪೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆ ಗೋಡೌನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬಹುದು? So how can we find out? Just think once. First we have to find out the volume of the godown. Then we have to find out the volume of wooden crate. Okay, so then what we have to do? So you can imagine. Okay, so first let us take godown. Godown length is 40 meter, breadth is 25 meter, and height is 15 meter. So therefore volume of the godown is equal to L into B into H. That is 40 into 25 into 15. 15,000 meter cube. Volume of the godown is 15,000 meter. Take the measurement of wooden crate. That is length is 1.5 meter, breadth is 1.25 meter, and height is 0.5 meter. Okay, so what next actually? Let us see the solution now. Next page. Yes, here we got the next page. So look at the continued part of that problem. Volume of wooden crate we have to find out. Volume of wooden crate is equal to LBH, that is 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5, that is 0.9375 meter cube here. So one unit is missing. Just correct this one actually. 0.9375 meter cube. This is volume. That's why actually here we have to write meter cube. Okay, you just correct that one. Okay, yes. Now number of wooden craters that can be stored in the godown, what we have to do? So we have to divide what is that volume of the godown and divided by volume of the wooden crate. So volume of the godown is 15,000, then volume of the wooden crate is 0.9375. So when we divide, actually the answer is 16,000. So just verify your answer. 16,000 wooden craters we can store in godown. Okay, so just verify your answer. Yes, got the idea of this problem now? Yes, now we'll move on to the next problem, that is 8th question. So 8th question is related to cube. Okay, a solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. A solid cube of side 12 centimeter, solid cube of side 12 centimeter. One side is given in the sense each side 12 only, no cube, each edges are equal, is cut into ಆ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅನ್ನ 8 cubes of equal volume ಆಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ 12 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, ಈಚ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್ 12 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಆ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅನ್ನ 8 ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನು? ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೇರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೇರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಸಿಗೋ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ನ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾದ ರೇಷಿಯೋವನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಗಿವನ್ 12 centimeters. So volume of big cube is a cube, that is 12 cube 1728 centimeter cube. So this volume cube Now we have to divide it into 8 equal volume. Then what we have to do? Divided by 8, no? So volume of small cube is equal to 1728 divided by 8. Why we have to take divided by 8? Because this volume cube we have to cut into 8 equal volumes. That's why we have to take here divided by 8. So volume of each cube is 200. New cube into ಹೊಸ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಗಳು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ನ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಗಳು ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮು 216 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಈಚ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಈಸ್ 216 centimeter cube. Now volume of, now what we got? Small cube, no? So that is a cube is equal to 216. Then what is a? Actually cube root of 216. A cube is equal to 216 in the sense a is cube root of 216. So that is 6. Answer 6 into 6 into 6, 216. So therefore the side of the new cube which is equal to 6 centimeter. ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಏನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಸಮ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ನ, ಅದರ ಹೊಸ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿನ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಈಚ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 centimeter ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೇರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ and after cutting into 8 equal parts, then we have to find out the surface area of the another one. We'll see that solution in the next page. One second. Yes, here we have the solution, that is surface area of a big cube, beginning cube. Just imagine beginning cube, that is 12 centimeter cube. Side into side, that is 12 into 12, 144 centimeter cube. So after dividing it into 8 equal parts, so surface area of one cube is equal to, that is surface area of small cube, that is also what is that? So, side into side, 6 into 6, 36 centimeter square. You all know what is that surface area formula? You all know, no? Surface area formula, a square or side into side. Okay, surface area of a big cube which is equal to side into side, that is 12 into 12. One second. Yes, students, see what we are observing here, actually surface area of a big cube she took, no? But here she wrote the formula side into side. Okay, so something is missing in this formula, no? So I think you have got the idea of this one now. What is missing here actually? 6 is missing, no? 6a square, 6 into side, 6a square actually. So surface area of the cube formula is 6a square, no? Here actually a square is over, so this is surface area of only one face she worked out actually, but she got the right answer. It's okay, so we'll complete this one. Okay, so here 12 into 12, after that into 6 we have to do here. Okay, here you just do the correction. Okay, side into side, so that, or you can take 6a square, it is easy actually. 6 into bracket ali, side into side also you can take, or 6a square is very easy method. Okay, 6 into 12 into 12 actually, so that is 6 into 12 whole square. So what is the answer? 6 into 144, 6 into 144, here also you have to take actually 144 into 6, so the final answer is 864. Okay, so final answer is 864. This is missing in this step actually. You have to correct this one. Got the idea of this now? So what she did actually, just a small mistake actually, formula side into side, that is area of the square. Formula is missing now here. Surface area of a cube, actually surface area of cube is a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹೇಗಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 6a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, 6 is missing here. Okay, so next in the same way surface area of a small cube, here also same mistake, that is we'll take actually 6a square. We have to take actually 6a square. Okay, here we are using cube, not any square face plane figure. Okay, now again here what we have to do, 6 into 6 into here 6. Okay, 6 into 6, then so next step 36 into 6. 36 into 6 we have to take, 36 into 6 we have to take, that is answer is 216. Okay, you just correct this one, 216. So here we got the big cube volume is 864, then small cube not volume here, surface area. Okay, sorry for that. Surface area of a big cube is 864, then surface area of a small cube is 216. So then ratio, we have to find out the surface area of a big cube to small cube ratio, no? That is 864 divided by 216. 864 divided by 216. So what answer you will get actually? So that is also answer 4 by 1. That is 4 is to 1. Got the idea of this one now? Here answer is same actually, but they have asked about the surface area of a cube, no? So just a small formula mistake. So you just correct this one. I'll send the correct solution in your WhatsApp group. Okay, correct this problem actually. 4 divided by 1, in the sense ratio is 4 is to 1. Got the idea of this problem now? Yes. Now we'll move on to the last problem of this exercise. That is, one second. Yes. See this last question, ninth problem. A river 3-meter deep and 40-meter wide is flowing. Okay. A river 3-meter wide and for 40-meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 kilometer per hour. Okay, one river 3-meter deep andre height ಆಯ್ತು, 40-meter wide, 40-meter agala, flowing at the rate of 2 kilometer per hour. So ಒಂದು ತಾಸಿಗೆ 2 kilometer ಅಷ್ಟು ಹರಿತಾ ಇದೆ. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಾಟರ್ ಸಮುದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So here what is given actually? Length. How can we take this one actually? Here I have the solution explanation. Water flows at the rate of 2 kilometer per hour. Andre enaitu, the water of length 2 kilometer flows into the sea in 1 hour anta artha. Artha aitala? Water flows at the rate of 2 kilometer per hour. That is, water of length 2 kilometer. Nadi 2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ನಷ್ಟು ಲೆಂತ್ ಇರೋದು 1 ಅವರ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟು ದ ಸಿ ಇನ್ 1 ಅವರ್, 1 ಅವರ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸೇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೀಟರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ 2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ನ ಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು 1000 ಮೀಟರ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2000 ಮೀಟರ್. ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಸ್ 2000 ಮೀಟರ್. ನದಿಯ ಉದ್ದ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ರಿವರ್ ನ ಉದ್ದ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 2000 ಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಅಗಲ 40 ಮೀಟರ್, ಹೈಟ್ 3 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಸೀ ಇನ್ 1 ಅವರ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 1 ಅವರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಸಮುದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್, ಈ ರಿವರ್ ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಹೆಚ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2000 ಇಂಟು 40 ಇಂಟು 3. So that is 2,40,000 meter cube. So volume of the water flowing into the sea in 1 hour. ಇದು 1 ಅವರ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ 1 ಅವರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ಸಮುದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್, ಆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಸಮುದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. L into B into H, that is 2,40,000 meter cube. But they have asked the question in minute. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೀರು. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಸಿ ಇನ್ ಎ ಮಿನಿಟ್. 1 minute is ಇದು 1 ಅವರ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2,40,000 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 60 ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಮಿನಿಟಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4,000 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಮುದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. So hence the volume of water flowing into the sea in 1 minute is equal to 2,40,000 divided by 60. That is 4,000 meter cube. Got the idea of this problem, students? So if you are having any confusion, you can discuss with me anytime. Okay, don't hesitate to ask your confusions and all.